Alright, chemistry, here comes another sample problem out of chapter 7, section 3. In this sample problem, we'll be calculating the molar mass of barium hydroxide, BaOH2. During this video, I'll be referring to a 5-step process for calculating the molar mass of a substance. Before you follow along with this sample problem, please be sure to watch the video lecture, take appropriate notes, and have those notes open as you follow along here. First step, I'm going to look at the compound and identify each element that is present. I see that there is some barium, some oxygen, and some hydrogen. Next, I'm going to go to the periodic table, and I'm going to copy down the average atomic masses of each element present. Barium, oxygen, and hydrogen. Using those values, I have barium coming in at 137.33 grams per mole, oxygen coming in at 16.00 grams per mole, and hydrogen coming in at 1.0079 grams per mole. Next, I need to account for how many moles of each individual element is present in 1 mole of this substance. So I see there's only 1 mole of barium present. I see that there are 2 hydroxides, therefore there are 2 oxygens present, and 2 moles of hydrogen present. Next, I will simply carry out that multiplication. Oh, sorry, I messed that up. .0185 grams per mole for hydrogen, present in 1 mole of this barium hydroxide. Next step, I'm going to add all of these together. I'll use my calculator for some help, so I'll go 137.33 plus 32.00 plus 2.0158. Calculator tells me 171.3458. Now the appropriate units for molar mass are grams per mole. So you might be tempted to simply write down what's on your calculator and slap grams per mole on there and call it good, but that will not be correct. It will have not taken into consideration how many significant figures ought to be recorded for this final answer. Now, this second calculation we carry out is addition. So the rule for significant figures using addition, so we have to look at all of the values that we're adding together and identify the value or values that have the fewest digits to the right of the decimal. Okay. On the first 2 values, we see that there are 2 digits past the decimal. On the third value, we see that there are 1, 2, 3, 4 digits past the decimal. Well, the smallest number is 2 digits past the decimal, so my answer, as I report it, needs to have only 2 digits past the decimal. So I will take this 5 and I will use it to tell me that I need to round this 4 up. So for the answer that I report, I'll have 171.35 grams per mole.